For the last 87 years, since the year 1937, Muslim legislators in the state of Assam Assembly would get a 2-hour Jummah break to offer namaz on Fridays. Now, Himanta Biswa Sarma-led Assam government has abolished this British era practice. The Chief Minister has hailed the Assembly's decision that as one as historic and the one that prioritizes productivity. In his post on social media platform X, Himanta Biswa Sarma has highlighted that this practice was introduced by Muslim League Saeed Saadullah in the year 1937, and it is high time that this practice must be done away with.
आज हमारे विधायक लोगों ने निर्णय किया कि हम विधानसभा में आता हूं काम करने के लिए, हमको प्रोडक्टिविटी चाहिए, तो इसीलिए हमें शुक्रवार का दिन भी हम लोग विधानसभा करेगा, नॉन स्टॉप हम लोग विधानसभा करेगा। 2 घंटा का हमें छुट्टी नहीं चाहिए। जिसको नमाज पढ़ना है जरूर वो अपना नमाज अदा करेगा, उसमें कोई आपत्ति नहीं है, लेकिन जो 2 घंटा वाला छुट्टी थे वो अभी से आगे नहीं होगा।
आज के दिन में मतलब सब भी अपना अपना अधिकार में बहुत मतलब क्या है कॉन्शियस है, तो बाकी धर्म के लोग भी कभी कभी बोलना शुरू कर दिया कि हमको भी थोड़ा टाइम चाहिए, कोई ट्यूसडे में टाइम चाहिए, कोई मतलब थर्सडे में टाइम चाहिए कि हमारा भी प्रेयर होता है धर्म में। कोई भी विधानसभा धर्म के नाम में, धर्म के किसी भी प्रेयर के नाम में ऐसा मतलब हाउस बंद नहीं रहता है, जड़ नहीं करता है।
Now, meanwhile, this decision that has left the opposition fuming because they have been saying that with the India bloc and the AIUDF in the state of Assam, they are accusing the Chief Minister of targeting the Muslim community deliberately to polarize as far as doing away with this 2-hour break.
To create the religious polarization in the society. Since the day one, they have been devising various ways and means in order to communalize as well as polarize the society. There was no need for bringing this kind of order.
कोई माई का लाल नहीं है हम लोगों के रहते हुए मुसलमान भाइयों का अधिकार छीन सके। जो आसाम की जो मुख्यमंत्री है वो सस्ती लोकप्रियता के लिए इस तरह से करते हैं। ये है कौन? ये केवल सस्ती लोकप्रियता चाहते हैं और ये भाजपा के लोगों ने मुसलमान भाइयों को एक सॉफ्ट टारगेट बना लिया।
हेमंत बिस्वा शर्मा जैसे जो मुख्यमंत्री है ये खुली तौर से मुसलमानों के दुश्मन है, ये एंटी मुस्लिम सरकार है। बेरोजगारी खत्म करना उनको आता नहीं है, इसीलिए सिर्फ एक ही मुद्दे को लेकर आ गए कि किसी भी तरह मुसलमानों को गाली बको, इस्लाम के खिलाफ अनाप शनाप बकवास करो, पोलराइज करो सिचुएशन को।
Not just the opposition, even allied JDU, which is raising concerns over Assam Assembly's no namaz break rule for Muslim legislators. JDU's Neeraj Kumar is asking Himanta government if it would also cancel holidays for Ram Navami and Mahashivratri.
अगर यह पैमाना को सही माना जाए तो जो हिंदू धर्म की परंपराएं हैं, चाहे वह रामनवमी हो, महाशिवरात्रि हो, क्या उस दिन की छुट्टी भविष्य में असम सरकार खत्म करेगी कि इससे कार्य क्षमता पर असर पड़ता है? तो निश्चित रूप से हम ये समझते हैं कि पूरे देश के लिए चिंता का विषय होना चाहिए।
Now, it is important to remember that the no namaz rule comes in the back of the Assam Assembly passing a bill that puts an end to the Qazi system for the registration of Muslim marriages. The proposed law that makes it mandatory now for Muslim marriages to be registered with the government. Chief Minister Himanta said that this move is aimed at curbing child marriages, ensuring consent and protecting the rights of women. Amid a flurry of reforms in the state, the Chief Minister also said that banning polygamy would be next on his agenda. But while the Assam government terms these reforms as progressive, the opposition is questioning the government's intent.
देखिए, हमारे जो मुस्लिम विवाह होते थे उनको काजी रजिस्टर करते थे। आज से ये सरकार में रजिस्टर होगा और उस बिल में पहले प्रावधान था कि माइनर का मैरिज भी रजिस्टर हो सकता है। आज से माइनर का शादी रजिस्ट्रेशन नहीं होगा। तो बेसिकली यही दो प्रोविजन है.
The Kazi Act 1880 is a colonial act, that is the central act is running all over the country. At the same time, they oppose here as a central act. If there is a provision of that Article 254, that is very clearly stated that if any controversy between the state legislation and the central legislation, then the governor should take the prior permission from the President of India. But it is not done in Assam. Without consent of the President of India, how they can pass this bill? So this is unconstitutional. Several provisions of the Indian constitutions are violated. So that's why it's illegal and unconstitutional.
Well, Anamika is with us right now. Anamika, it was in a way also aligned with the Uniform Civil Code as far as this move is concerned, where registration of marriage with the government becomes official and mandatory, especially when it comes to the Muslim community. Anamika?
Yes. In Assembly, in last Assembly session, three bills talking about the registration of mandatory registration of Muslim Marriage and Divorce Act 1937. Talking about the other land reforms where the iconic structure got protected by the Assam and yesterday. I'm talking about yesterday. 2 hours namaz got eliminated from Assam Assembly. So back to back, the three important steps have been taken by the Assam Assembly. And talking about Himanta Biswa Sarma, why we have mentioned that by doing away this 2 hours Jummah break, it will eliminate it, have prioritized productivity and shed another vestige of colonial baggages. And talking about this particular step which have been taken by the Assam Assembly, it's a significant move towards enhancing productivity, and the Assam Assembly has decided to eliminate the 2-hour Jummah break, a practice that date back.
But in the meantime, we are also talking about as far as making marriage mandatory. As far as registration is concerned, for the moment, thank you very much, Anamika, for joining in. The Chief Minister there announcing that the government has only one objective: whether a daughter is Muslim or Hindu, she should not face injustice. And he's requested the people of Assam to support him to confine this practice to the pages of history. For the last 87 years, since the year 1937, Muslim legislators in the state of Assam Assembly would get a 2-hour Jummah break to offer namaz on Fridays. Now, Himanta Biswa Sarma-led Assam government has abolished this British era practice. The Chief Minister has hailed the Assembly's decision that as one as historic and the one that prioritizes productivity. In his post on social media platform X, Himanta Biswa Sarma has highlighted that this practice was introduced by Muslim League Saeed Saadullah in the year 1937, and it is high time that this practice must be done away with.
आज हमारे विधायक लोगों ने निर्णय किया कि हम विधानसभा में आता हूं काम करने के लिए, हमको प्रोडक्टिविटी चाहिए, तो इसीलिए हमें शुक्रवार का दिन भी हम लोग विधानसभा करेगा, नॉन स्टॉप हम लोग विधानसभा करेगा। 2 घंटा का हमें छुट्टी नहीं चाहिए। जिसको नमाज पढ़ना है जरूर वो अपना नमाज अदा करेगा, उसमें कोई आपत्ति नहीं है। लेकिन जो 2 घंटा वाला छुट्टी थे वो अभी से आगे नहीं होगा।